Learning airport vocabulary in English with the picture. Airport, airport. Passengers, passengers. Passport, passport. Passport control, passport control. Metal detector, metal detector. Garment bag, garment bag. Baggage, baggage. Security guard, security guard. Boarding pass, boarding pass. Lounge, lounge. Passengers, passengers. Customs officer, customs officer. Airplane, airplane. Flight attendant, flight attendant. Oxygen mask, oxygen mask. Armrest, armrest. Lavatory, lavatory. Propeller, propeller. Landing, landing. Conveyor belt, conveyor belt. Aircraft runway, aircraft runway. Gift shop, gift shop. Visa, visa. Emigration, emigration.